All right, boys and girls, so on this page, what we're going to do is fill in the blanks with a word that completes the sentence. So the first thing I would do is I would read the words at the bottom of the paper so that you know what your words are. So what is this first word? It's fell. Very good. Next word, full. Next word, call. Spell, tall, and roll. Okay, so let's look at the first sentence and read it together. Our trash can is too what? Full. Very good. Let's write full. Number 2, Joe blinked down the stairs. What did he do? He fell. Good. Number 3, I am too blank for my age. I am too tall for my age. Next one. Will you blink me tomorrow? Will you call me tomorrow? Next one. Let's blink down the hill. Let's roll down the hill. And the last one. Can you blink my name? Can you spell my name? Very good. Let's look at what's on the back side. On the back side here, I don't know why this one's purple, but these are spelling words that are reviewing your phonograms. And so we are going to write each word 3 times in our best handwriting. So number 1 is most. M-O-S-T. So we just write it 3 times. Okay. Number 2 is talk. T-A-L-K. So we write it 3 times like this. So I want you to finish this side. I'm not going to do it with you because I don't think you need me to. But write each word 3 times and then do what your teacher would have you do next.